Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious mint fudge. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 3 cups of granulated sugar, 1½ sticks of unsalted butter, and 5 ounces of evaporated milk. For the creamy texture, have 12 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips and 7 ounces of marshmallow cream ready. Finally, 1 teaspoon of peppermint extract and a few drops of green food coloring will give it that classic minty flavor and vibrant hue. Let's get cooking. Now let's start cooking the base. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine the 3 cups of sugar, 1½ sticks of butter, and 5 ounces of evaporated milk. Place it over medium heat and bring the mixture to a full rolling boil. Once boiling, continue to cook for exactly 5 minutes, stirring constantly. This constant stirring is crucial to prevent the mixture from scorching and to ensure a smooth, consistent fudge texture. Keep an eye on it. Once your base has boiled for 5 minutes, remove it immediately from the heat. Quickly stir in the 12 ounces of chocolate chips until they are fully melted and smooth. Next, add the 7 ounces of marshmallow cream, 1 teaspoon of peppermint extract, and a few drops of green food coloring. Mix everything thoroughly until the color is uniform. Pour the hot fudge into a greased 9 by 13-inch pan and let it cool completely at room temperature before cutting. Patience is key. After pouring, let your mint fudge cool completely, ideally for several hours or even overnight, to ensure it sets perfectly. Once firm, use a sharp knife to cut the fudge into 1-inch squares. This makes for easy serving and ensures everyone gets a perfectly sized piece of this delightful treat. Enjoy your homemade mint fudge. For more great tips and deals, and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look at the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.